Let us explore in this lecture some navigation options that we have in the VI editor. To move the cursor left, down, up, or right, you can use the H, J, K, and L keys respectively. And you can use the arrow keys for navigation as well. To move the cursor to the end of the current line, press the $sign key, and now you should find the cursor at the end of the current line. Let's say that you want to move the cursor to the end of the file. So what you should do here, you can achieve that by pressing the capital J key. To move the cursor to a specific line, press the colon key, first of all, to switch to the last line mode, and then enter the number of the line that you want. For example, to move the cursor to the third line, press the colon key, followed by 3, and then press enter. And now the cursor should be at the third line. We have also some editing options in the VI editor which can speed up our work. For example, to delete the character under the cursor, you can do that by pressing the X key. To delete the entire current line, press the D key twice. If you want to copy the current line, you can do that by pressing the Y key twice. To paste the line that you have copied, first of all, move the cursor to the location that you want, and then press P to paste it. Let's say that you are unhappy with the last change that you do, so you want to undo it. How you can achieve that? You can undo the last change by pressing the U key. And to redo the last undone action, just press Ctrl with the R key. Let us see how to search for words or a sequence of characters in VI. To search for a word, first of all, press the / key and then enter the word that you want to find. By pressing enter, you will be in the first occurrence of this word. To navigate to the next occurrence, press the lowercase n key. And to go back to the previous occurrence, press the N key in uppercase. We will see now how to save or discard the changes and how to quiet the VI editor. To save the changes that you have made without quieting the VI editor, you can do that by pressing colon followed by W and finally pressing enter. And then if you want to quiet, just press colon followed by the Q key and press enter. To save the changes and quiet the VI editor at the same time, press colon followed by W to save the changes, followed by Q to quiet, and finally press enter. To discard the changes and quiet the VI editor, press colon followed by Q, followed by an exclamation mark, and then press enter. So here we will quiet the VI editor without saving the changes. So that's it for now, and see you in the next video.